Brainstem.
Cerebral cortex.
Would you start listening to your hypothalamus a little too much? When your Wernicke's area is damaged and someone starts talking to you? I spy with my little eye.
Waldo never.
When your somatosensory cortex senses pressure or heat input from the nerves throughout the body. Stuff the thalamus says. Switches. Oh whoa, a sensory input. The parietal cortex be like.
Processing.
When the thalamus tells your sensory input where to be directed. Do you ever just
Divide the brain into two hemispheres.
temporal lobe nibbas be like, I hear with my little ear.
Some fuck shit.
When you process a new memory. Hold on, it's real.
Frontal lobe hours. Use your planning and judgment skills if you're awake right now.
The floor is being the cerebellum and helping coordinate voluntary movements and balance. When you. What the fuck am I doing with my life? Don't get so emotional.
The amygdala. Don't get so emotional.
Stuff.
The brainstem says.
'Tis I, the most ancient member of the Brain Council. If only I contained deeper level function. Where is Brother Medulla? We need Brother Medulla immediately.
Stuff the medulla says.
Yes, brother Brainstem, I am with you now. Worry not, my heart. You have my nerve impulses to keep you beating. I am the medulla. Ha ha, medulla.
Stuff